Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below. You can also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. If you notice, my hair is still wet. I actually received a new product which I ordered through Lazada. And this product is very essential to curly girls or wavy girls like me. And this is very affordable, by the way, compared to the other products that you can see in the market. So this product is inside this box and it costs $837. That's already including the shipping fee. And this arrived to me within a week. So I purchased it through Lazada, the Lazada app. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unwrap it. I'm so excited to use this, guys, because I'm receiving a lot of positive feedback for this product. So I hope it would really do good to my hair. Because if you know, I actually travel to the office with wet hair, and when I get there it's actually already very limp because I use a helmet. Okay. It's taking time for me to unwrap this. Alright, so I'm actually giving a review after we unbox this product. So I will be giving a review after I unbox this Infinix HD 800. This is actually a blower and a diffuser in one. So I've heard that this product has both heating and cooling effect. So let's go ahead and open it. So features, it has an elegant design. It has an easy push switch and also has a safety main cord. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it right now. So what's inside is the actual blower and the diffuser head and the blower tip in case you don't want to use the diffuser. And that's actually it. So there are 3 items inside, including a manual. So the blower tip, or the blower head, and the diffuser head. Okay, so I'm gonna read this first and I will try it out and I will show you. Okay, so let me show you the parts of the Infinix foldable hair dryer. This is actually good for traveling because it's foldable. So number 1 is the nozzle. It's a nozzle, not the blower tip that I mentioned a while ago. It's a nozzle. And number 2 is the air outlet. This is the air outlet here. Number 3 is the cool switch. For CGMs or curly girls, it's recommended to use the cooling function of this blower. And the power switch, which is this one, it has 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 0 as off, 1 as soft, 2 as set, and 3 as turbo. And 5 is the air inlet grill here. And then the 6 is the foldable handle, this one. Alright. And then 7 is the hanger here. And 8, lastly, is the cord. So I'll be trying this out right now. However, I'm not really gonna be showing you the CGM process because actually I did not do that. I combed my hair. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm really excited about this product, guys. I hope it won't fail me. Okay, so here are the numbers. The 0, 1, 2, 3, off. What is number 1 again? Off, soft, set, and turbo. Then again, this is the cooling switch, cool switch. So since I'm gonna be using the diffuser, let's go ahead and unwrap this one. So this is how it looks like. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so it's fully functional. Let's hope that this will fit. Oh my god. I think I need to read the manual first. So before plugging the appliance, check if the voltage indicated on the rating plate corresponds to the main voltage in your home. So it's fit for the Philippines because it's 220 volts. Do not use this appliance for anything other than its intended use. Always switch the appliance off before putting it down, even if it's only for a moment. Set the hairdryer power switch to cool for cool air. There is no instruction as to how to insert this one here. I hope I won't damage this. Uh-oh. It doesn't have instructions, guys. Am I missing something? Okay, so I just had to twist it to use it. So, I mean, twist it in order to insert it to the blower. So, Kitty, let's try this out. I'm gonna use the cool switch so that it would produce cool air. Wait, Kitty. Let me read. Let me read. Yes. Wait, Kitty. So this is how you do this. You need to put your hair. Wait, sa Kitty, ha? Ikaw, be. Yes, me, my turn. So turn it off first and then put your hair on it and turn it off. Who wants to try it out, guys? In it. So I'm not sure as to how to use the cool switch because it's not really steady if you click on it. I think you need to hold it while it's blow drying. Wait, I don't. Yes.
What's God?
Ah, I see. Okay, so while it's turned on, you need to put your hand or put your finger on the cool switch so that it won't release hot air. Okay. Yes, Langga. So let's try the other side. Don't touch. No. So if you can see, it really does define the curls. my gosh, I'm really excited to use this after deep conditioning. So by the way, you need to count either 60 seconds or a minute for each side. I'm not really actually showing you the correct CGM process. I'm just trying to demonstrate how to use the product. So make sure your hair is already on the diffuser when you turn it on, and make sure your fingers already set to cool switch if you want to use the cooling effects of this blower. So that's 60 seconds. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is actually my first time to try a diffuser, so it's actually very new to me. I'm still adjusting to the process of using it, so I hope I'd be better in using it next time. You can see this part actually has a lot of volume. Okay, so if you can notice, I actually have bouncy curls right now, and it's really what I'm after. That's why I use this. That's why I bought this diffuser. So I'm hoping to see more volume and more bounce with my curls moving forward. Since I already have this product, I really recommend it to you guys. It's affordable and it's good for traveling. It's portable and I think it's durable. I hope it's durable, but let's see, guys. So if you did learn something from me today, kindly hit on the like button below, and if you have any suggestions on or any questions about this product or about anything that I may have known or about anything that I may know, kindly leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below until it turns gray. From red, it will turn gray to know it's successful. So guys, I'm gonna be finishing. I'm gonna finish drying off my hair because I still have work. But thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. See you again on my next vlog, lovies. Bye bye.